Officially licensed product DC Comics School Lunch Cooler. Durable high-quality stitched Wonder Woman costume logo on front. Back features a sewn vinyl cape with WW logo. Zipper closure with padded top handle for comfortable carrying. Main insulated chamber for food storage or snack and lunchtime goodies. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect kindergarten lunchbox. My daughter used this her entire kindergarten year and I am pleased to say it survived in one piece. It can be a little tricky to clean the inside if food, stuff gets really wedged in the crevices, but I've found this to be true of every lunchbox my kiddos had. Give it a quick spray, rinse with dish soap in the sink, let it air dry, and you're good to go.